Today, I thought I'll do a very interesting thing, and I will uh, simply list out the topics which cover the whole world in very basics, important topics from A to Z. So today we have I'm using a certain book for the topic. It's a broad book. So because it's a broad book, my hypothesis, if I take the topics from that, it'll be very interesting. So we have A. In A, we have a priori ideas. A priori. A priori ideas are those ideas which are, I mean, it's a crazy idea, but those ideas which are there in your head without experience. And then you have absolute monarchy, the concept of absolute monarchy, which is kingly rule, divine right of kings. And then you have absurdist drama. It's a modern form of drama. And then you have Samuel Adams as a writer, Adler as a great psychologist. Then you have Virgil, Achilles, great writers. Age of Reason. Age of Reason. Agnosticism. Agnosticism is the idea that you neither believe nor disbelieve in God. Then you have Albertus, Albertus Magnus, Alexander the Great, Alger Horatio. These are famous figures. John Allison is a modern businessman, top businessman. Anselm of Canterbury, and then you have Thomas Aquinas, is a famous Christian philosopher and reason-based philosopher. Hannah Arendt, a famous scholar of totalitarianism. And then you have Aristotelianism, Aristotle, atheists, contemporary atheists or new atheists, atomic theory, Augustine, Augustus. And then you have in B, you have Francis Bacon, Roger Bacon, Balzac is a great author, John Barth, Barzoon, Berthelot. What I'm trying to say is that these are the authors and topics we have to explore to be encyclopedic, if you're interested. Then you have Bismarck. Bismarck is a famous political leader. Alan Bloom, Jean Bodine, then Jacques Bausset, Bausset, then William Boyd, Edmund J. King, Bradley, A.C. Bradley. Then you have Tycho Brahe, Benjamin Brodie. Then you have Yaron Brook is a modern objectivist philosopher. Walter Burkett and Edward Burns. So this is BC capitalism. Rudolf Carnap, he's a philosopher. Then Cartesian physics. And then you have Catholic Church. You have Cervantes, Chekhov, Christianity, Cicero, classical education, not now, classical education. Then classicism in literature, it's like a topic in literature. And then you have Marva Collins, famous educator, uh, John Comenius, Communist Manifesto, compartmentalization, form of, separating yourself from your work. Auguste Comte is a philosopher, and then you have concepts, concrete boundedness, like limiting yourself to concretes. Then you have Constantine, Constitution, US Constitution, Copernicus, Cornell, critique of judgment, critique of pure reason, Kant, Eve Curie, Curie, and Cyrano de Bergerac. This is C. And now we go to D. In D, you have Dante, Davies, Paul Davies, Declaration of Independence, Deduction, Deism, Democritus, the Greek philosopher Democritus, Demosthenes, Jacques Derrida, Descartes, Dewey, Dionysus. Then you have Divine Comedy, James Dobson, Dr. Faustus, Domat, Dominionism, Dostoevsky, Downs, Dupre, Will Durant. Then you have E, Stuart Easton, Eckhart Meester, Arthur Eddington, Education, Egalitarianism, Einstein, and then Empedocles, Angels, Enlightenment, Environmentalism, and then you have Epictetus, Erasmus, Euclid, Euripides, Escape from Childhood, John Holt, Essay on Criticism, Alexander Pope, Every Man, Exceptionalism, American Exceptionalism, and then you have Experimentation in Physics, Extremism. And this is still E. In the next video, we'll go for F.